let's add a picture to the our screen at the bottom of this button. If I want a picture from the internet directly, I have a widget image dot network. I can add an image with this widget, but I have to write here its link, its source. So I am putting my quotation marks as the link of this the link of the picture is string. And let's go to the picture example. I want this picture, and uh, I am I want to copy the link of this picture. And yes, as my language is Turkish, all of these options is Turkish. But if I want the link of this image, this option is means in English the link of the image. So I'm pressing this one, and I'm pasting it here. Let's paste it, and let's see what's happening. Click hot reload, and yes, my picture has came. But I can set the size of the pictures. Uh, if I want to set the size of the picture, I have parameters like width, height, color, opacity. So let's arrange the height of. Let's set the height of the picture. As you know, height means vertical, and I'm pressing height, and I want a 200. I want 200 height. So this means that your picture will have a 200 height. Will be seen 200 height. Let's click hot reload, and yes, my picture is smaller right now. Let's click 100. Let's write 100 and click hot reload. Let's click hot reload. Sorry. And yes, my picture is smaller right now. If I put, if I write here, let's again go back to 200, and yes, I can set the size of the picture with another way. Now we have we have another widget named container widget. Container widget is the most important widget in Flutter. So let's choose all of this widget. Let's double click, or let's choose all of this widget and right click and show actions. And yes, here let's wrap image point network with container. This means that my container widget is a parent widget of my image plus image point network. So I can container widget has its own height, width, or padding. So let's put here comma, and we can see that what can we do with container widget. We can write padding, color, decoration, foreground decoration, extra, and height. So let's write height here. I want to delete here. Let's delete this one again. Now you can see my picture is same again, the first size, and let's write height and 200 here again. But be careful, this height parameter belongs to container, not belongs to image plus image point network. So let's click run again, and you can see my my size is 200 again. The height of my size is 200 again. And we have a width parameter also. Let's make it 300 and let's see what happened. And this is the same because we have a height and width range of the picture, and the range of height and width can't be changed. So uh, this width parameter isn't working here. We have another parameter is fit. Its variable is box width. We can write box width parameter variable types for fit parameter. Uh, we have these options for box width. So if I choose fill parameter, let's see what's happening. Yes, now my container, now my height is 200, but my pictures fit is box fit point fill. You Let's do this. Let's delete this and see its old size while it was like this. So after that, I am taking my work again, my work back, and let's click run and box fit. This is the result of fit parameter and box fit point fill. If I do, if I change here, but here box fit point contain, let's see what's happening. Click run, and yes, it is the same. So uh, also we can change the container, the color of container. Let's change the color of container. Let's make it blue. So colors plus point blue I'm writing, and let's click run, and here you can see my container better. These all blue areas is my container, is the area of container widget. But uh, my picture is as my picture is in my container. This picture, the back of this picture is blue again, but in at the front of in front of the blue background, I have a picture in container widget. So let's make all of, if I want to make all of my body blue, so I am going after for do that, I am going body and making my list view widget, choosing my list view widget with double click and right click, and uh, wrapping it with container widget, and let's change the color, and I want the color is uh, yellow again, and let's click run, and yes, all of my body is yellow right now. So container widget is here, and yes, we have added an image from the internet directly.